How to customize live room on Bigo Live. From the main screen, tap Me at bottom right, tap your profile picture, then tap on Edit, and update your profile picture, username and bio. This shows up in your live room. You can also link your social media account here to display during a stream. When you start streaming, by tapping Go Live, check the on-screen icon during your live. Tap on the girl icon at left side. You will see beauty makeup filter. Tap the magic window filter icon to apply beauty filters and effects. Use the camera icon to switch cameras or add external camera support. These tools help customize your live room vibes and interaction live. Get back in general settings. You can toggle notification on off for gifts, comments, followers. Privacy setting to control who can join or view your live stream. After you customize, tap Go Live and start broadcasting. Broadcasting with a personalized setup. So that's it. You can still make your live room on. If this helps, smash like, subscribe for more Bigos hack. See you in the next one.